I had a question in the forums today about how to really publish the site, publish your course, but then get it up to a website, right? So it sounds sort of simple enough, but you publish your site, and what is the file that you actually link to from Presenter? So when you are publishing, assuming you're publishing from web, right, you click the publish button, and you are brought with this publish dialog box. If you select web, you can see the path to your folder, right? So usually by default, my Articulate projects, then you give your course a name. So if you want to call it demo, you can rename it to just the course name, and then go ahead and click publish. And when it finishes publishing, you can click the open folder button, and that brings open all of your files. Now in this case, there's an extra file, launcher.html, and that's because I specified the launcher button. But by default, you will see the 3 files, the player, the data, and then the player.html file. You don't want to just take those 3 files and upload them to your web server. And in this case, I've uploaded them to my web server, and I created a subdirectory called Articulate and a subdirectory called Courses. I just want to click all of these and drag them over. So the path, what I'm ultimately going to link to, is the launcher or the player, depending on how you wanted to have your course load. But in most cases, it's the player.html. So it would be your domain name /articulate/courses/player.html, and just go to your browser and then enter the web address. So in this case, it's your domain name and then your folder path, whatever it is, to your actual player.html, and your course should load just fine. Now the thing is, you'll definitely want to make sure that you keep your folder structure set up so that these folders are always together, right? So the data, the player, and then the player. You don't want to rename these, and you also don't want to move them around. So as long as they're together, you will be able to link to the player, the launcher file just fine.